Let's go, y'all. Here. Gun. It's all gone. It's all gone. Chicken good. Soup over there, he says. Okie dokie. You take that gun and you keep it. Soupity soup, soup, soup. Oh, boiled. Oh, I'm gonna take that food. I apologize. Okay, okay, okay. You got any good heals? I got the lockpick on me. Don't worry about it. I got that lockpick though. Oh, I need a gun. Oh, I do have a gun. Oh, okay. I'm gonna tell him to save his RPs, or in other words, research parts. RPs for short. Freaking bug crawling me. I don't like bugs. Me not a bug person, especially after I swallowed that spider as a child and traumatized me. Alright. Let's go grab it. Lockpick rooms are great for better loot. But somewhat sketchy. I know. I got it. Nothing escapes me. Stop playing. Die, you poured. Alright, I'm gonna skin it. And he takes it. There you go. There you go, my friend. Ooh. Never forget to scrap. My voice. My voice, it escapes me. Alright, so I'm gonna use my bed if the thing has reset. And I'm gonna head back over there. It's gonna be a short little clip. This is gonna be the first one I'm gonna be able to upload onto my channel for content purposes. I'm also gonna give him 28 bullets. I'm gonna give myself less bullets because I don't want him to die. That's not something I look forward to seeing at all. So he's gonna get them. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna give him the potatoes and the carritos for heating supplies. And then I'm going to I'm gonna put that back. I would give him a gun, but obviously death tax is a thing, and if you die with something on you and it isn't splittable, there it is. Seems legit. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And if you can't split it, you lose durability on that thing that you died with. So yeah, I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna grab a gun real quick. I'm gonna give him 28 bullets, like I said. And yeesh. Stop coughing. Throat's scratchy. Excuse me. I apologize. Okie dokie. Oh wait, I think he actually has some ammo from the chest, but I'll see how much he has, because, you know, I don't want him to run out of ammo midway through battle. That would stink. It would stink so bad, man. I don't even know if he can go into the lock... Stop. I didn't have stuttering issues when I wasn't watching Spears the Amazing HD. After I got done watching him, I had stuttering issues. The man's Canadian accent has rubbed off on me. Or his humor. His humor. His humor. Oh, I don't got the runner, I promise. I'm literally just coughing because my throat is scratchy right now. Alright, brother, if you're ready, you show me you're ready, and you go over here and murder these zombies in the basement for me. Alright, he says he's ready, so let's go in there. Alright, dude, I ain't even gonna waste any time. Wait. How many bullets you got? How many bolts you got, bro? Nice. Nailed it. Yes. I'll see how many bolts he's got. I seen him walking to the map with a gun, so he's definitely got it on him. No, you don't. Nope, you're not gonna do that. That's not gonna happen. Okay. Oh, I was gonna sneak attack him. That's okay. Who cares? We killed him anyways. We wins. I got 55. You. Yep, I got 55. I got good armor. Yeah. I'm gonna drop them cans for him. Alright, opening it up. Let's enter. Here we go. Here we go. He's just standing there. Oh no. There you go. There you go. Pull them out. One by one. If need be. Here, hide in corner. Also, I do things a little bit dangerously there, dude, so I'm just gonna let you know that right now. Oh, no. Shoot. Shoot him. There you go. You ain't gonna die. I'll tank. I'll take the hits. Dude. You good? Oh, man. Okay, he didn't die. Good. Oh, I thought he was gonna die there for a second. That scared the crap out of me. He came dang well close to it. Yes, you. Yes. I was worried about you. That was great, dude. That was awesome. That is exactly what I did the first time. First time I ever did one of these rooms is exactly that. Bam, there you go. Let me... Alright, some bullets. And I'll take the bullets. I don't really want anything else out of that. I'm sorry. Alright, you can have the rest if there's any more bullets in here. Oh! Hey! You take the rest. The rest, you earned it. Definitely earned it after taking all those hits and nearly dying. That's why I got in front of him, hoping to aggro the zombies onto me so I could die. Nice. Yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed. This is it for today's episode. There's a floating lamp. There's ghosts in here. There's ghosts. There's ghosts. But yes, I hope y'all enjoyed. This was me battling it with him. OMG, that was scary, but we did it. It was scary for me the first time. I'm gonna send you the link to the ghetto lockpick room. That's scary. And you're welcome. Anywho, hope y'all enjoyed. Love y'all. And I will see you. Oh, that's not what I wanted. In the next video. Pow! Original recipe.